Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can create a Google Drive link to share your files or folders. So let's start from the file. So for example, here I have a file here called photoshop.dc.icon. It's a logo of Photoshop like this, right? If you go to click on the file here, you'll see that there's a share button on the top right. Click on it, and then you'll see that right now it says it's restricted, right? If I go copy this link and I give it to someone else, they won't be able to access it. It'll say it's private, right? So the thing that you have to do instead is by going to restricted, go to anyone with link. Now on anyone with link, once you set it to this, if I go copy this link and I give it to someone else, it'll just show them the file and it won't be restricted anymore. But you see that on the right here, there's an extra option called viewer. There's viewer, commenter, and editor. If there's only a viewer, then they can only view the file. They can't edit or they can't delete the file. If they're a commenter like this, they can add comments to the file, but it won't inherently change the file. It'll just allow them to comment and add feedback to the file. If they're an editor, then that means they can edit it, they can delete it, and they can do whatever they want with it. Be careful if you're setting anyone with the link access to this. I recommend just viewers, but if you really trust anyone that you can give the link to, then you can do it with editor. But after you set it this, copy the link and give it to someone you'd like. If it's a folder, so for example here, I have a folder called test example. You can just click on the folder here, click on share again, and then you'll see it's the same kind of UI as earlier. Again, click it with anyone with the link, click on copy link, and then you're done. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.